Hey everyone, diversification through asset allocation is important in personal finance. Services to monitor and rebalance your portfolios like Plaid, Mint, and Personal Capital sell your data and sometimes cannot integrate with your brokerage accounts like Interactive Brokers that has 2FA. In this demo, I'll show how automation can solve both the data privacy and the brokerage linking issues. So first I have an asset allocation that is a sample allocation of different buckets. So we have US core equity at 30%, US small cap at 10%, international large cap at 10%, so on and so forth. There's also a symbol table that contains mappings between the various ticker symbols as well as what the category that they would belong to. And the script is actually very simple. All I have to do is just run python script.py. It needs a secret that is a password that can decrypt an encrypted file that contains all my user credentials of my brokerage accounts. This encrypted file is stored locally, is never shared to anyone or to any service, and you need to make sure that that particular file is kept safely on your local file system. So with that, I am going to access the password for that using LastPass, and also have the target directory that contains where all the reports would be downloaded from my brokerage accounts. So in this case, I'm just going to type in this particular folder. And what it then does is that it automatically opens a Chromium browser and logs into, in this case, my Interactive Brokers account. This is all done automatically without me touching my keyboard. I still need to 2FA using my phone, which I'm doing right now. Once that happens, it goes into the right tab to actually download all the data regarding my positions within Interactive Brokers, and it would download it to the folder that I specified. So once it downloads all the brokerage account data from the various brokerage accounts, it would then analyze, compute, and produce a report. Next up, it's opening automatically opening my Fidelity account and logging in and doing the same thing. So it then again goes and downloads the accounts CSV file that contains all my positions within Fidelity. And once it puts it into that directory, it would then be able to compute on it and give a report that contains all the rebalancing information that I need to actually do the right investments after that. So let's see what the report that it outputted based on this. And so what it says here is that currently my investment bonds are at 5% allocation of the total portfolio. And since the target is at 20%, I need to move around $120,000 to my investment bonds category. And I would have to do that by selling some US core equity, since currently it's overweight. About 44% of my portfolio is in US core equity, and I need to move that to my investment bonds. So this is assuming a static portfolio, but if you have new cash that is coming in from a salary or some sort of sale of equities, you can also use that to actually input into a deficient bucket. So currently this demo, I only showed two integrations, one with Fidelity and the other one was with Interactive Brokers. But this script can also be used to automatically open and log in Vanguard, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, Interactive Brokers, as well as HSA accounts like Health Equity, to actually get a comprehensive look at all your accounts so that you can actually do this rebalancing act by yourself without having to integrate with any outside platforms. So with that, thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed it.